Tayo-tayo lang ha. Oh. Sabihin natin sa
Walang
DOJ,
magsasalita.
sa NBI at sa Malacanang, di kayo halata ha. Slight lang, pero hindi naman kayo halata. Pero alam niyo po, meron biblical principle. Kung anong ating, yan ang ating aanihin.
Eto, actually, may matinding pag-alma ng mga minority senator judges. Ito pa, papakita ko para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea bakit mukhang uubusin ba talaga sila? O ano ba talaga? Bakit pumapalag ang mga senator judges sa minority? Ito, isa pa to.
That allows a judge to be pressured and intimidated. And I ask each one of you, my dear colleagues, payag ba tayo sa ganito? Ganito na ba tayo dito ngayon?
Yan. Oh,
Don't we want a better country for our children?
ipaglalaban niya talaga.
Why would you allow a director who was just called to be a witness next week brag that to investigate? And again, I don't know. So I respect.
So, baratatat! O, ito pa, meron pa. Mamaya, buuin natin, no? O, ito pa isa. Si Senator Robin, mukhang nabigla, may natanggap siya. Nako, wala na tayong internet. Hindi ka ba nabibigla dyan, Senator Robin? Ayun, reconnected successfully. Pasensya po, no? Nag-reconnect po yung internet natin. Nawawala-wala. Hindi ko na tuloy maituloy-tuloy. Pero anyway, wait lang po tayo. Gusto ko lang masiguro yung net natin kung okay. Shoutout po sa mga viewers natin. May 3 akong nakikita dito. Ay, maganda pa naman yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ang ganda. Hindi kaya, totoo kaya, uubusin yung minority senator judges dyan sa impeachment? Inuna na si Jinggoy Estrada. Ha? Mas nauna pa si Senator Marcoleta. Mga senator judges ang mga yan. O, Senator Bato, mukhang paubos na po. Noon pa pinag-uusapan na babawasan sila ng babawasan. Exaggerated yata siguro yung uubusin, no? Uubusin, pero nangyayari na. Dahan-dahan lang. Ha? Himay-himay. Okay na ba? Bumalik na ba yung signal natin? Pa-comment lang po dyan sa baba. Pa-comment lang po para at least alam ko kung okay na yung ulitin ko ha. Balik ko sa balik ko kaya yung pinakaumpisa. Ito ngiting-ngiti pero stress po yan. Sanay po yan sa laban si Senator Alan. Sanay na po yan. Pero habang nagaganap yung trial, biglang sumingit ito. Hindi natin inaasahan at hindi naman dapat ito. Bakit tinitira na ulit ito? Wala kasing mahanap na itira eh. Senator Marcoleta, okay na. Nakuha na nila. O si Robin Padilla, meron din. O bakit panay itong sa minority ang nadadali? Sa tingin nyo po, ano pong dahilan? Ito to. Anong sabi na nito? May bigote na siya ngayon may bigote. Dati walang bigote. Sige. Ay, wait. Asan ba yung 4? Ito, sige. Ulitin ko lang.
Praise God. Opportunity mga musta. Quiet lang po kayo.
Quiet lang tayo. Quiet lang.
Pero iparating natin sa NBI, sa DOJ at sa Malacanang. Tayo-tayo lang ha. Sabihin natin sa DOJ, sa NBI at sa Malacanang, di kayo halata ha. Slight lang, pero hindi naman kayo halata. Pero alam nyo po, meron biblical principle. Kung anong ating itatanim, yan ang ating aanihin. At sabi parati ng ating mga kababayan ay sana all. So, ito proposal natin sa NBI, sa Malacanang, at saka sa DOJ. Imbestigahan niyo yung Southeast Asian Games of 2019 kung saan tayo nag-overall champion at tinangala ng buong Southeast Asia. Imbestigahan nyo ng husto, bigay nyo lahat. We will support totally. Pag sinabi kong we, ako, at hinihimo ko lahat ng mamayan, supportahan yung investigasyon na yan. Tapos, ako naman, 10 ng aming mga kasama na ngayon ay nasa minority, imbestigahan naman namin ang flood control. Deal?
Ayan po yung lumabas kasi na issue, biglang lumabas 2019. Ngayon biglang hindi kaya sadyang tinaon. Kasi pati si Robin Padilla, Senator Robin Padilla, nabigla dito. Mamaya, tingnan niyo yung reaction niya. Nabigla eh. Tingnan natin si Senator Pia dito na nagngangaw-ngaw kasi hindi niya alam. May nangyayari palang ganito. May nangyayari palang ganito sa kalagitnaan ng mga hearing impeachment na sabi niya dapat hindi ini-intimidate yung mga senator judges. Hindi tinatakot. Ito yung reaction niya.
One of you, my
Matapang.
dear colleagues, payag ba tayo sa ganito? Ganito na ba tayo dito ngayon?
Nag-init talaga.
Don't we want a better country for our children? Why would you allow a director who's just called to be a witness next week brag that he's going to investigate? And again, I don't know. So I respectfully request that it be played. Because I want to understand. If I don't have reason to be upset, then thank you. I can focus. I can go back to the business.
Ito yung puntos dito mga kababayan. Gusto kong makuha yung opinion nyo. Ba't tila NBI lagi yung naaano dito? Take note yung mga nangyayari sa Senado. Ano NBI? Ano? Sino yung director ng NBI? Ito pa isa. Mamaya mahuhukay natin, malalaman natin lahat. Si Senator Robin sabi na, pati ako. May natanggap akong love letter. Ano ba talaga? Talaga bang uubusin o bawasan? Sabi ba, binabawasan kami hanggang sa lumiit ng bilang nila. Ito. Robin, huwag ka nang magtaka.
Sapagkat ang mga nangyayari po sa ating hukuman sa mga oras na ito, hindi ko po alam kung ito ba ay
Sakto lang?
eksakto lang na nangyayari o ito po ba ay sinasadya. Katulad po ng pagkakakulong ng ating dalawang senator judge na si Senator Jinggoy Estrada at si Senator Rodante Marcoleta. At ang kagiyat pong pagdating ng aming mga masasabing galing sa ombudsman sa akin at kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. At kahapon, pagkatapos pong ng isang araw na mabanggit ang patungkol sa pagpunta ng ating mahal na NBI Director sa Bangkok, at ito po ay kinwestiyon ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, kahapon po ay biglang lumabas ang isang pahayag na iniimbestigahan daw po patungkol sa pangyayari noong Southeast Asian Games. Ito po ba ay eksakto lang o ito po ba ay merong dapat tayong pangambahan? Sapagkat alam niyo po, ako din po ay dapat ay pupunta ng Iran. Sapagkat isinagawa po ang pagbibigay-pugay sa namatay na kanilang leader, spiritual leader. Pero hindi po ako tumuloy dahil may impeachment po tayo. Tanong ko lamang po sa ating mga kasama, dapat po ba tayong mangamba? Dapat po ba kaming manggamba? At tayo po ay parang eksakto naman lahat ito? Hindi ba po tayo ay malayang korte? Tayo po ay may karapatan na binibigay ng konstitusyon na magsagawa po ng pagdinig na ito. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong tagapamahalang hukom.
The manifestation of Senator Judge Padilla is noted. What is the pleasure of Senator Judge
Mr.
Cayetano?
Presiding
Alan?
Officer, Rule 6 of the impeachment proceedings is that the rules of the Senate is suppletory, and if there is anything that affects the honor, integrity, or the functions of us individually or as a Senate here as an impeachment court, someone can rise on a question of personal or collective privilege. I won't do that, but may I just respond to what Senator Padilla said, since my name was mentioned and since the investigation announced by the NBI yesterday seems to be pertaining to this person as chairman of the 2019 organizing committee of the Southeast Asian Games. May I, maybe in the form muna of manifestation, unless the presiding officer or Senate President thinks that I should elaborate on by asking for time on a personal collective privilege, but I don't want to start that
Senator
proceeding.
Judge Cayetano may make his manifestation. For the record, sir.
So, first and foremost, sa sinabi po ni Senator Padilla, I won't ask na ipa-play na yung video, but quite exhaustive yung sinabi ni NBI Director about the Southeast Asian Games. So, if the intention was to have a chilling effect, we already have that chilling effect. May 11, hinabol dito sa session hall na to ng mga ahente ng NBI si Senator Bato. May 13, nagkaroon ng enkwentro, putukan, pinipilit ng NBI na hindi sa loob ng Senado, but we have all the evidence that it was inside the Senate. Other incidents, I do not want to evoke a reaction or debate because I want to respect my fellow senators. Much of this has been vented in the media, is in court. Director Matibag has promised us that he will give us a warrant issued by the ICC, has promised us that he will hold his agents na nanggulpe ng isang OSAA. He will be the one to implement the contempt order and hold them in his office, but wala ditong natupad. So when I mentioned his name, his position the other day that it was bad taste, walang personal yun. I mean, regardless kung sinong, even if it was a secretary, an alter ego of the president who wrote the prosecution team or the defense team to say, pwede bang next week kasi may seminar, I would have said the same thing, di ba? Na, look at the gallery. Kompleto parati dyan, from Congressman Ace Barbers to many Congressman Ridon. I won't name all of you, but you're busy people. But you think this is important, so you take time out and you are here. Di ba? Of course, the prosecution team, you have to be, you are here. We are here, despite of many, many other important things. Not only investigations, not only the flood control, not only the BIR, not only, we're also talking about the nation being prone to volcanic eruption, to yung bagyo, buti, well, nasalanta pa rin tayo ng bagyong Inday. Ibang Inday ang pinag-uusapan natin dito sa impeachment. But still, we are here. So it was in good faith that I said, as an example, mukha namang masama kapag kayong isang bureau head. NBI director is a very important position, but it is a bureau. So if a bureau head, and tignan yung invitation, nakalagay sa invitation, or your representative, and we resolved it. So aksidente ba na yesterday, suddenly after I mentioned it, and after during the weekend, many have been talking about na dapat ata hindi 16. So 21 na lang kami ngayon eh. So 2/3 of 21 is 7. Pag nabawasan pa kami ng 3, 13 na lang yon. Pero some will argue, mabawasan lang kami ng 1 o 2, baka 13 na rin yon kasi wala naman half person o 3/4 person. So all of these issues are valid. Question, the chilling effect is there, but am I intimidated? Wala na akong choice. Ilalabang ko na to, gagawin ko yun ang dapat kong gawin. Bumaliktad man yung sitwasyon, si President Marcos ang ini-impeach and I felt a certain way, ilalabang ko rin. Chief Justice man ang i-impeach, ilalabang ko rin. But for the record, Mr. President, go ahead and investigate. First of all, that's been investigated many, many times. COA, I'm not sure. I think the Office of the Ombudsman, ang nag-file pa ata, Chief of Staff mo eh. Senator Rob, I'm not sure, but parang may kaso na nun. Senator Drilon quizzed us here. I was Speaker of the House, but I chose to appear before the Senate to be able to answer all of those questions directly. The SEA Games, paulit-ulit yan. Biktima na ng speakership ng 2019 yan. Nahuli namin yung PR na sinabi kikiam, pinakain daw mga Muslim ng baboy, when it was chicken longganisa na pinakain. Pero nasiraan na tayo sa Malaysia, Indonesia. The SEA Games gave us so much honor. So far, it is still the biggest SEA Games in history. Many of our athletes launched their career, even going to gold medals in the Olympics. Our athletic and our yung aquatic natin center in Clark is one of the best in the world. Ang nagsabi nito yung Israeli coach ng isang foreign team doon. But go ahead if you want to investigate. But I just want to put on record, mukhang misfire. Bakit? Yung sinasabi niyang infrastructure na walang bidding, first of all, the procurement law has many modes of procurement. So don't make it appear sa public na just because walang bidding, may anomalya na to. Okay. Secondly, bakit ko sinabing misfire? Hindi po sa I'm referring to Director ng NBI Matibag. I had nothing to do with the infrastructure. The chairman of the committee. In fact, I had to resign from the DFA because I was running for congressman during that time. So dun sa sinasabi ni Director Matibag na may congressional insertion to fund it, it's definitely not me because how could a non-member of the Senate or non-member of the House insert anything? Okay. Dun sa sinasabi niyang infrastructure, it was done by the BCDA. The chairman of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors of the president now. The president of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors and is a secretary now. And he said medyo kaduda tong kumpanya na nanalo walang bidding. If I'm not mistaken, it's the same company who's making the City Hall of Pasig. So, I mean, if they want to investigate, go ahead. But by mentioning the organizing committee of the SEA Games, ako po chairman nun. At paninindigan ko po na napakaganda nung nangyari doon. At kung may anomalya, ako unang magagalit. So, go ahead. But my point, Mr. Chairman, honorable members of the court, sa prosecution, to be fair sa prosecution at marami akong kaibigan, I've never felt any intimidation from any of you. I mean, you've continued to be either friends or for those who are former friends but friends. I mean, I don't know if nagkamali lang ako, but on the first day, I nodded ng konti kay Senator De Lima. Gumanon din siya, hindi ko alam kung na-acknowledge because we were friends once upon a time and this is a court. We owe it to each other to be professional, di ba? So wag tayong pumayag na someone like Director Matibag would do that. My point, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, he could have not announced it and investigated. Imbestigahan mo, tingin mo may mali, imbestigahan mo. But it is unfair to me and unfair to the court that kung kailan siya patatawag siya sa Monday, intimidate mo ako, hindi kita tatanungin sa Monday dahil mag-a-announce ka na iimbestigahan mo. Tapos sasabihin mo may insertion, tapos sasabihin mo, hindi liquidated. Liquidated po lahat yun. So, let me talk of unfairness. Hindi ba unfair? Kung ako, babalik na rin ko, sasabihin ko, inimbestigahan ko na rin kahapon Ang sabi sa akin, mainit ang ulo ni Director Matibag kasi may contractor na daw yung binigay na lupa para sa NBI at gusto niya sarili niyang contractor. Or would that be fair to him? No. It would be a marites accusation. So that's the same thing he announced yesterday. A marites accusation towards me that affects this court because I am now a senator judge. So I hope this is the last time that I'm going to have to speak about this. But definitely, we've been speaking about this, binabawasan talaga kami. Iniisa-isa. Even yung mga vlogger na malapit sa administrasyon, sabi, 2 down, 3 down, may kasunod na. Di ba? So, Mr. President,
Mukhang totoo yun, binabawasan talaga sila. Basta lahat ng kumukontra, lumalaban sa flood control, basta hahalughugin o huhukayin yung accountability, lalo na yung flood control talaga. Ang laking pera yan. Sa tingin nyo po, wala na pong nagpapatawag. Pinalitan yung liderato. Kinuha ni Senate President si Cayetano, pero binawi ka agad kasi nga ayun po yung pupuntiryahin yung flood control investigation. Bakit nga nung pinalitan, ang pinupuntirya lang na pinupursigi yung kay BP Sara yung impeachment. Pwede naman nilang pagsabayin, di ba? Sa palagay nyo lang po. Parehas naman na pera yan. Mas malaki nga lang yung flood control kasi bilyon. Ito, milyon lang. Pero wala sa halaga. O dapat, magparehas. Kung yung maliit lang iniimbestigahan, di lalo na yung mas malaki, di ba? Common sense po, yan po yung sa idea ko po, mga kababayan, mga kabunets. Kaya, pati sila lahat yung minority. Nakita nyo bang may pinailan doon sa majority? Na nababalita naman na may kinalaman din sila at nakaladkad ang kanilang mga pangalan sa flood control. Bakit hindi sila naiimbestigahan? Itong mga side ng minority, sila po yung napapabalita at napupursige na iimbestigahan. 'Di ba? Di halata. Anong tawag doon? Halate, halata o halatoy?